What's happening, fellas, and welcome back to another episode of IJayReaction. For the second time on my channel, we're gonna watch an Indian Tamil language music video in the name of Mandram Vandha Thendralukku Manjam Vara Nenjamillayu Anbe Yen Anbe. The reason I'm reacting to this video for the second time is that the first time it wasn't the full version of the song, and as many of you requested my reaction to the full version of the song, here I am recording this video. So, Mandram Vandha Thendralukku is an iconic Tamil song from the 1986 movie Mouna, Ragam, composed by one and only and beyond legendary Indian composer Maestro Ilaiyaraja, sung by late SPB. The title translates, okay, I don't need the translation here, as one of you guys shared the translation in the previous video, in my previous reaction to the same song, and I'm gonna read that after we watch the video. But before we watch the video, I have to tell you the theme of the song. The theme of the movie is actress will be shown as a naughty, sweet girl in the beginning. Of course, she fell in love with a guy in her college days. At some point, her lover passes away. Then she's forced to marry another man whom you see in the video. She could not came out of it. At the end, she moves by his genuine love of not touching her without her consent, and they unite at last. This is sounds such a great movie, guys. And having said that, let's start watching Mandram Vandha Thendralukku, Mouna Ragam, Mohan, Revathi, and Maestro Ilaiyaraja. And I'm so excited to hear the part of the saxophone once again, which kicks in.
Mandram Vandha Thendralukku Manjam Vara Nenjamillayu Anbe Yen Anbe தொட்டவுடன் சுட்டதென்ன கட்டழகு வட்ட நிலவு கண்ணே என் கண்ணே பூவாளமே கூடாதென்னும் வானம் உண்டோ சொல் மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சமில்லையோ
Anbe Yen Anbe. The sax part. Such a lovely composition. Here they welcome them, but they look so sad.
Wish you happy married life.
They are going to be one of the best couple in our office here.
बेटा, ये पूजा का कुमकुम है, बहू को सिंदूर लगा दो. लगा दो ना बेटे.
अरे लगाना यार. अरे लगाया जल्दी लगाना यार. अरे लगाया. अरे लगाना. लगा दो यार.
Anbe Yen Anbe. Sax kicks in once again.
ஓடையை போலே உறவும் அல்ல
This is truly a tough situation to be in.
வெள்ளி வண்ண நிலா என்னோடு நீ வந்தாயல்ல மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம்
That pause is so genius in the composition.
தொட்டவுடன் சுட்டதென்ன கட்டழகு வட்ட நிலவோ கண்ணே என் கண்ணே பூவாளமே கூடாதென்னும் வானம் உண்டோ சொல் மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சமில்லையோ அன்பே
This is the part that I haven't seen.
மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சமில்லையோ
அன்பே என் அன்பே
தொட்டவுடன் சுட்டதென்ன கட்டழகு வட்ட நிலவோ கண்ணே என் கண்ணே
She still refuses him.
கூடாதென்னும் வானம் உண்டோ சொல் மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சமில்லையோ அன்பே என் அன்பே
It seems that they went on a trip together.
தாமரை மேலே நீர்த்துளி போ தலைவனும் தலைவியும் வாழ்வதென்ன நண்பர்கள் போலே வாழ்வதற்கு மாலையும் மேளமும்
They are officially getting married, but there is still distance between them.
பந்த பாசம் கொள்ளாமல் பூவே உன் வாழ்க்கைதான் என்ன சொல் மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சமில்லையோ அன்பே என் அன்பே தொட்டவுடன் சுட்டதென்ன கட்டழகு வட்ட நிலவோ கண்ணே என் கண்ணே பூவாளமே கூடாதென்னும் வானம் உண்டோ சொல் மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சமில்லையோ அன்பே என் அன்பே
Seems that at the end they became friends. Well, I am glad that we watched the full version of the song, guys. Many of you also told me to check the studio recording version of it, but I couldn't find it, guys. So that's the reason we watched the music video once again, and now I think there was a translation somewhere around here. Yeah, one of my dear subscribers have shared the translation of the song, guys, and we're gonna check it out together. The gentle breeze that entered the hall, does your heart not long to welcome it to your side? My love, anbe yenambe. Why did your enchanting beauty set my heart aflame the moment I touched you? Are you the full moon itself, my dear, my precious? Tell me, is there a sky that forbids the melody of Bhupalam, which is a type of raga or rhythm? Life is not like a stage where one walks away once the play is over, nor is love like a flowing stream that changes its course and moves on. The silver moon that wanders across the heavens. If only you would journey beside me. Come. The gentle breeze that entered the hall. Does your heart not long to welcome it to your side, my love? Anbe? Like a drop of water resting upon a lotus leaf? Why shouldn't a man and a woman live together in harmony? If two hearts can live as true friends, why are wedding garlands and festive drums necessary? Interesting. This is a beautiful translation and I'm grateful to you for sharing it. Without the chains of possession, without the burden of binding attachments, oh flower, tell me, what kind of life would yours be? The gentle breeze that entered the hall, does your heart not long to welcome it to your side, my love, my beloved? Well, I'm grateful to Surya UF3GZ for sharing the translation of this beautiful song. That's it, guys. That is the end of another journey with another beautiful Tamil video, and I wholeheartedly enjoyed watching it. If you enjoyed watching the video just like I did, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. I want you to stay safe wherever you are. I'll definitely catch your next reaction videos, and peace.